Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I picked up some honey mail on Monday. Okay? And let me show you what I got here. Big box. I've been all through it. Okay. And where's that note? She sent me a note. Oops, I didn't put it back in here. Okay, well, anyway, we're going to get to it. Can't find it. But anyway, Brenda sent it to me. And she's a great supporter of MzBrazell's channel. Okay? So she's one of my honeys. So let's get to what she sent. She sent me some pot holders. I'm always needing pot holders, and these are pretty cute. Faith, family, and friends. That's what these say. Then there's a dish towel that matches. Faith, family, and friends. So you have to keep stuff away from Walter, because he'll grab anything and dip it in the sauce. You know, he's taking stuff out the oven, and half of the towel is in the barbecue sauce or juices or grease or whatever. And I fuss, but don't do no good. She sent these kind of pot holders, Cook's Kitchen pot holders. And they got this silicone stuff on the back. Very nice. Put your hand in it. She sent two of these. Very nice. But sometimes these kind of pot holders, you can still get burned through these, but not through the kind with the silicone. I like that. Oh, here's her note is. A lot of bags. Okay, that goes to that, and I don't think I'm supposed to read the note. She tells me what's inside the package, and she also sent something for Walter, grilling stuff, and a movie DVD for Walter. She sent me seasoning stuff and condiments and a movie. And for the grandkids, they have a movie to watch. Okay. Thank you, Brenda. Thank you very much. So I'm going to show y'all the movies she sent. We don't have a DVD any longer. We used to have everything. She sent Everyone's Hero for the kids. And I see it came from Walmart. So I'm going to see if I can take it to the store and exchange it for something that we can use, because I don't like anything to go to waste. She sent this one for me. A little game. Believe you can win. Okay, I know Olympia Dukakis. I've seen her work before. Okay, and she sent this one for Walter with Cuba Gooding Jr. in it. Freedom, based on a true story. Okay, and he would like something like this. He really would. So I'm going to see if I can exchange them for something, since they came from Walmart. But they're usually good at taking stuff back. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, she sent me some country gravy mix by Pioneer. And then she sent me a peppered gravy mix. Okay, I guess you want to see some smothered chicken or pork chops or something with gravy. Okay, chicken seasoning is by Amazing Taste. I've never heard that brand before. And another chicken seasoning. Low sodium, no MSG. She sent me 2 chili mixes. I use a lot of this. And 2 taco seasoning mixes, hot and spicy. Serve and savor. Saucy rice side. So she sent me the creamy chicken flavor. Rice. It looks good. Okay. This is the stuff she sent for Walter. This is for MzBrazell. Grill Mates. Brown sugar bourbon marinade. Here's another one. Brazilian Steakhouse marinade mix. Got 2 of these. The Grill Mates Mesquite marinade mix. Got 2 of these. So 1 for me, 1 for Walter. Because he always seasons up his own food. Because if I do it, he gonna redo it. So I don't even bother no more. Memphis Pit barbecue rub. 2 of these. Thank you. Thank you very much. And the box was packaged up so nicely. She got tore up newspaper in here to make sure nothing broke. Look at that. And a lot of plastic bags. So I have to fill in here to make sure I ain't missing nothing. Okay, this is something I've never seen before. Country Bob's all-purpose sauce. It says steak, chicken, and fries. Never seen it before. So I'm anxious to try this. I need me a thick, juicy T-bone or porterhouse steak. Put this on it. Sent me some honey mustard. That's good on chicken. I think I mix it with some A1 sauce with this. Oh my goodness. Or some Heinz 57 sauce. Oh my goodness. And mix it. Send me some Heinz jalapeno tomato ketchup. Look at that. Walter's not going to touch this at all. He ain't going to touch the mustard either. Okay, I think that's it, y'all. So Brenda, I want to thank you so much. And I'm sorry that we don't own a DVD player anymore. I think that's what that is. DVD. Yes, DVD. So I'm going to try my best to take these back to Walmart and exchange them for something. They'll probably give me a gift card. So I'll let you know what happens. But I really appreciate it. Thank you. I always appreciate whatever y'all send me. But I'm going to show y'all the box. Pull up the addresses. See how the box looks? I had to pay my own postage because it looks like the postage sticker was on here, but it got torn off some kind of way. So I had to pay the postage. It was definitely a sticker on here. And they talking about, well, it wasn't on when we got it. Okay. So I went on and paid for it. But I really appreciate all my goodies. Thank you so much. And I'm going to separate my stuff and Walter's stuff right now. Telling my honey, send him some too. Okay. Yeah. I wonder if he can use these pot holders. But he'll get the green part nasty. But he cooks in the oven a lot. I rarely cook in the oven. So I'm going to give him the pot holders too. Keep the other stuff. Okay. So, Brenda, I want to thank you very much. I'm not going to use your whole name. I really appreciate this. For real, for real. For real, for real. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you've ever used any of this stuff. Especially, have you heard of this before? I'm sure it's very good. I might go out and buy a steak today. Try that. I'm just that crazy. I should have bought a steak the other day while we were at Walt's. They had them on sale and I forgot to look at the steak. Okay. I'm gone for real now. Bye. Y'all be blessed.